Frustrated Orange Line commuters. An overnight construction accident shut down a large part of the line. One worker suffered a minor injury in that accident. Good afternoon. I'm Kate Merrill.
And I'm Chris McKinnon. All morning long, shuttle buses have been bringing Orange Line riders between Sullivan and Haymarket. WBZ's Lisa Gresci has the details.
Bus after bus sent here to Sullivan Square Station so people could get off the train and catch the bus to get into the city. For some, though, that didn't quite work.
Usually you would get notifications, but I didn't see any on my way there. I am going to miss another bus if I don't go.
The buses filled up so fast it took some T riders a few tries. The MBTA explaining the reason for this hectic morning: an injured worker overnight pushing back what was supposed to be weekend work.
Can't trust this thing on a sunny day. It's terrible.
Without a notification to wake up to, people poured out of the train and rushed up the stairs, not knowing what to expect.
All shuttle buses over to your right.
I don't know about the MBTA, but they better fix it.
I've been here for 31 years, and this is the first time that it's happening like that.
A Monday morning nightmare come true for Ashita Clark.
Once I get on this bus, I got to take a train to the Green Line to go to work. I'm still not at work. It's going to take me probably like 4 hours to get to work today, which is ridiculous.
Riders left waiting and questioning once more the service they're paying for.
It wasn't this bad before. It's just getting worse. And, we have kids. They get to school late. We get to work late. Drop off and pick up. When do we see our kids, right? We're spending all our time commuting.
The MBTA announced these delays would likely last through the rush hour, and some say that's not enough. And now they just hope it doesn't carry over into their Tuesday morning commutes. Reporting in Sullivan Square, Lisa Gresci, WBZ News.